The ORION XTR69.3 coaxial speakers deliver impressively strong output, with enough headroom to stay clean and dynamic even at higher volume levels in a typical car cabin. Their three-way layout, with separate woofer, midrange, and tweeter drivers, creates a balanced soundstage where bass, vocals, and treble all have their own space. The polypropylene woofer cone and butyl rubber surround feel robust and help the speakers maintain clarity and control, even when driven hard over long listening sessions. These 6-inch by 9-inch speakers provide full range coverage so you can upgrade factory locations without needing extra components or complex system planning. Installation is straightforward for most do-it-yourself users, thanks to a design that works well with common mounting patterns and clearly labeled connections. With a 4-ohm load, wide frequency response, and high sensitivity, they pair easily with many head units or amplifiers while still delivering detailed, energetic sound.